Hey guys, check out this 1,000 square foot basement. You're gonna be surprised how open it is. Look at this family room here. We have this gigantic sectional couch. It's actually oversized in this area. Great viewing. Look at this custom wall unit. We took this space right here, a little alcove, and we used that to create this custom unit. We have an 8-foot fireplace, beautiful, all custom millwork, LED lights, absolutely fantastic. What I really love about this area is so big and open. In this same space as the TV area, we have this amazing kitchenette area. Check this out, all custom built. Look at the glasswork here, the LED lights inside, the cool shelf with lighting underneath, the hardware. This is just really special area, and it just opens up to the whole basement. So you would never think that this is a 1,000 square foot basement, and we have so much more to show you. So right now, we even created a beautiful a full bath right here. Look how nice this is with the vanity and the tile work set up in there, the lighting. It really is just cool. Something I really want to point out too in this TV area is we had 3 columns right here. A lot of times you hear us talking about removing them, but in this case, we left them. We didn't need to spend any money on that. And look how nicely this worked out. We created this countertop right here with the half wall. We have 3 bar stools between these columns, another 3 over there. Really just worked out fantastic. Come over to this side of the basement. Look at these great glass doors that we put in going into the office area. It just opens the space up because this is a tight area. And when you come in here, this office is really done really nice because where the monitors are set up, we got some natural light coming in, and then we have this beautiful decorative wall here. We created 2 hidden doors on either side of this TV in this decorative wall. That's a utility room, and over here we have a storage closet. But we're not done. In this area, you come down the stairs. Of course, we opened up the stairs with the spindle railing, and then we utilize the space onto the stairs as well with another hidden door. So just overall, we want to talk about a great use for 1,000 square foot without removing any columns. And this is the perfect example for that. It actually looks fantastic.